Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about the famous word called big data. And if you are going to attend any interview and for data analytics role or data engineering role, then the interviewer may ask this question: can you define the big data? So the question can be arised like, how do you define big data? So in order to answer this question, first thing is, to define big data we need to understand three V's. So first V is high volume. High volume means large volume of data. Most of the times the amount of data is greater than traditional database solution. Next is high velocity. Traditional database cannot handle the speed at which data enters into the system. For example, Amazon.com can't store and manage data in traditional database system because traditional database does not support many operations. The third V is high variety. Big data analysis involves a variety of data sources of varying formats. In security SIEM solution, data is logged from multiple data sources like firewall devices, email traces, DNS logs, access logs, etc. Each of these logs have different format, and correlating all the logs required big data. So if you are working as a security analyst, or if you are working in security analytics role, then, or if you are working on SIEM solution, for example ArcSight, Splunk, QRadar, etc., then the interviewer may ask you this question that, do you have experience on data analysis, or are you working on data analytics? Do you know what big data is? These are the questions the interviewer may ask. So you should know what is big data. So if you can explain these three V's to the interviewer, then interviewer will be happy and he will be satisfied. So I hope that this topic is useful for you, and because this is very famous topic, famous buzzword nowadays, and you should know what is big data. I hope this video is useful for your career. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.